Everyday English listening. Keep listening to English every single day helps improve your understanding and speaking naturally. It trains your ears to recognize words, sounds, and phrases. Daily practice builds confidence, vocabulary, and fluency. Stay patient and consistent. The more you listen, the more confident you'll become in speaking and understanding English fluently. We have to have a close connection with our family. Family is the foundation of our lives. From the moment we are born, our family becomes our first source of love, guidance, and security. A close connection with our family is not just a nice thing to have. It's something we need for emotional support, personal growth, and a strong sense of belonging. In today's fast-paced world, people are often busy with work, school, or technology, which can lead to distance within families. That is why we must remind ourselves of the deep value of staying close to our family members. A strong family bond brings comfort in hard times, joy in good times, and strength in times of uncertainty. Emotional support and security. One of the greatest reasons we must have a close connection with our family is the emotional support they provide. Life is full of challenges. We go through times of stress, confusion, loss, and disappointment. During such moments, family can offer a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, or even just a warm presence that helps us feel less alone. Children who grow up in close-knit families often feel more secure and confident because they know they are loved and valued. Adults, too, benefit from the deep emotional foundation that family provides. When we know that someone always has our back, we feel stronger and more capable of facing difficulties. Teaching and learning families are the first and most important teachers in our lives. From basic skills like walking and talking to deeper values such as kindness, honesty, and responsibility, we learn so much from our parents, siblings, and grandparents. A close connection with our family allows this learning to continue throughout life. We learn from each other's experiences, mistakes, and wisdom. Parents can pass down cultural traditions, moral values, and life lessons. Children can teach their elders new ideas and fresh ways of thinking. This two-way learning only happens when family members feel comfortable and connected. Sense of belonging. In a world that can often feel cold and lonely, a strong family bond gives us a place where we truly belong. No matter what happens outside, whether we succeed or fail, whether we are accepted or rejected, our family is a place of unconditional love. Knowing that we belong to a group that accepts us for who we are is a powerful source of emotional stability. This sense of belonging helps people develop self-worth and confidence. It reminds us that we are not alone in the world. Building trust and communication. When family members spend time together and stay emotionally close, they build trust and open communication. People feel safe to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This is especially important for children and teenagers. When they feel connected to their family, they are more likely to talk about their problems, ask for help, and avoid dangerous situations. For adults, open communication in the family leads to fewer misunderstandings, stronger relationships, and better teamwork. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and it is built through consistent love and care. Helping each other grow. Family members influence each other in powerful ways. When we are close to our family, we help each other become better people. A parent who encourages a child's dreams can shape their future. A sibling who listens and supports us can help us feel brave enough to try new things. Even during disagreements, if the connection is strong, families can grow by learning to forgive, compromise, and respect each other. We challenge each other to be our best and comfort each other when we fall short. In this way, family acts as both a safety net and a springboard for growth. Creating lasting memories. Some of the best memories in life are made with family. Whether it's celebrating holidays together, going on trips, cooking meals, or simply talking at the dinner table, these shared experiences create a lifetime of joyful memories. When families are closely connected, they build a story together, a shared history that binds everyone together even across generations. These memories not only bring happiness in the moment but also give comfort in the future. For example, when we lose someone we love, the memories we made with them become treasures we can hold on to. Being there in times of need. There are moments in life when we simply need someone to be there for us. Illness, financial problems, breakups, job loss, and personal crises can hit anyone. In those times, family often becomes the first group to offer help. When we have close ties with our family, we can count on them not just for words of comfort, but also for real support, driving us to appointments, helping us pay bills, watching our kids, or just sitting with us in silence. When families stay close, they become strong together, able to face anything life throws at them. Passing on love to the next generation. When we build close family connections, we also teach future generations how to build strong relationships. Children who grow up in loving families often become loving parents themselves. They pass on the same habits of care, communication, and togetherness that they experienced. In this way, the love we share with our family today can affect people we may never meet in the future. This is how family love becomes a legacy. It doesn't stop with us, it continues to grow through our children, grandchildren, and beyond. Taking action to stay close. It's easy to talk about the importance of family, but it takes effort to build and maintain strong connections. That means spending quality time together, eating meals as a family, calling each other regularly, celebrating birthdays and holidays, and being present during both big events and small daily moments. It means listening with love, speaking with kindness, and forgiving quickly. It means showing up, even when life is busy. Technology can help us stay in touch across distances, but nothing replaces genuine time and attention. By making family a priority, we build bonds that last a lifetime. In the first part, we explored why having a close connection with our family is vital for emotional support, growth, and love. But let's go even deeper. Family is not only about who we live with or who we are related to by blood. It's about meaningful relationships that shape our character, values, and identity. A close family bond is something we must build and protect through effort, time, and understanding. In this second part, we will continue to explore more reasons why close family ties are essential, how they improve our lives, and how we can strengthen them every day. The role of family in our identity. Family plays a powerful role in shaping who we are. Our first language, cultural values, traditions, and beliefs often come from our family environment. A strong connection with family gives us a sense of identity and pride in where we come from. When we stay connected with our roots, we feel more grounded. We know our story. We know what matters to us and why. This becomes especially important as we grow older and face the world on our own. No matter how far we go in life, our family reminds us of where we began. In families where the bond is strong, children grow up with a deeper understanding of their heritage. They learn not only about where their grandparents came from or what struggles their parents overcame, but also about what it means to be part of something larger than themselves. This connection builds confidence and self-awareness. It helps children and adults alike find their place in the world. Family encourages healthy habits. Studies have shown that people with strong family connections tend to have healthier lifestyles. This includes eating better, exercising more, sleeping well, and taking care of mental health. Why? Because when we are close to our family, we care more about ourselves and about each other. We remind each other to take medicine, go for walks, and make better choices. Parents serve as role models for children, and children bring joy and purpose to parents. When one member is struggling, others can step in to help. For example, a parent who spends time cooking healthy meals with their children is not only feeding their bodies but also feeding their hearts. A sibling who encourages another to take a break from work or study is building habits of balance and care. In this way, close families create an environment that supports good physical and emotional health. Protection from negative influences. In today's world, young people especially are exposed to many influences, some good, some harmful. Peer pressure, internet content, and social challenges can lead to risky behavior. A close family connection acts like a protective wall around young people. When they feel loved, supported, and heard at home, they are less likely to seek attention or comfort from dangerous sources. Parents who are emotionally close to their children can guide them better through difficult decisions. Siblings who trust each other can offer help before a mistake is made. Grandparents can offer stories and lessons from the past that help the next generation make better choices. The power of family guidance is very real, but it only works when the connection is strong. Strong families handle conflict better. Every family has arguments, disagreements, and misunderstandings. That's completely normal. But families who are closely connected handle conflict in a healthier way. They learn to talk things out instead of ignoring each other or holding grudges. They know that love is stronger than any single argument. They are willing to forgive, to compromise, and to grow. Close families also know how to apologize when someone is hurt. They don't pretend that everything is perfect. They face problems together. This teaches children valuable life skills like emotional control, problem solving, and empathy. In the long run, these skills help in school, in friendships, in future careers, and in marriage. Celebrating success together. One of the most beautiful parts of having a close family is having people to share your success with. Whether it's graduating from school, getting a new job, winning an award, or even achieving small goals, your family celebrates with you. Their happiness becomes your happiness. You don't feel alone in your victories. This shared joy builds unity. It creates a sense that we're all in this together. Even if a family member is not physically present, a phone call or video chat to say, "I'm proud of you," makes a big difference. When we celebrate each other, we build stronger emotional bonds. Family teaches love that doesn't change in a world where friendships come and go, jobs change, and relationships sometimes end. The love of a close family stands as something constant. This kind of love teaches us what true love is, love that is patient, forgiving, and unconditional. It's not based on how much we earn, how we look, or what we achieve. It's based on being who we are. This kind of love gives us emotional strength. It helps us love others more fully. People who grow up with strong family love often carry that love into their marriages, friendships, and communities. They are more generous, more loyal, and more trusting because they have known what real love looks like. Caring for elderly family members. As we grow older, so do our parents and grandparents. Staying connected with our family means remembering to care for those who cared for us. Elderly family members need emotional attention, physical help, and meaningful conversation. When we stay close, we don't forget them. We honor their lives, respect their wisdom, and make sure they are not lonely or neglected. This act of care also teaches younger generations about kindness and respect. Children who see their parents caring for grandparents are more likely to grow into compassionate adults. It completes the family circle. Love flows from the oldest to the youngest and back again. Final thoughts: having a close connection with our family is one of the most important things we can work toward in life. It doesn't mean we won't face hard times or misunderstandings. It means we will face them together. A strong family connection brings peace, joy, and comfort that lasts a lifetime. It helps us grow into better people, protects us from loneliness, and gives us the love we need to succeed in the world. So let's not wait until a holiday or a crisis to reach out. Let's make daily effort to stay close, to express love, and to build stronger relationships with the people who matter most. In the end, we may have many things in life, but it's the love of our family that makes everything worthwhile.